every element in place. Mike G in the building, put a smile on the face. What's on the menu? We define the whole vibe. High-end lifestyle, moving with the tribe. What's on the menu? Precision in the hand, taking all the flavor to the corners of the land. On the menu, Mike G. We served it up. Stay hungry.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of On the Menu. As you can tell, it's a late one today. You're gonna be like, Mike, isn't it too late to cook? Yes, it is. I just got off work because I was coming home and I was thinking to myself, what's in my fridge that is easy to make? And as I was driving, a light bulb went up and I said, yo, I have leftover pot roast. I could shred it and make taquitos. And that's what we're making today, homemade taquitos. And I think I make some of the best taquitos out there. I'm gonna shred them, I'm gonna roll them, I'm gonna fry them, all for you right here, right now. If you could like, subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. All right, let's go.
On the menu, Mike G.